It's currently 8 a.m. on Friday, September 22nd, the official day of Haley Reinhart's third studio album, What's That Sound? This album is a 60s cover album with 3 original tracks written by Haley, but Target has an exclusive deal, I guess, with Concord Records to where if you buy the album at Target, you get 2 extra songs. You get a Doors cover and a Grassroots cover, so obviously I'm going to get that. So far, Haley has released 4 singles from that album, 1 original, 3 covers. So I can't wait to see what the other 12 tracks have in store for us. Now I'm driving all the way out to this Target. It's about a 30-minute drive. So I hope that it's there. I'm going to be severely disappointed. I do, if not, I have it pre-ordered on 5 other different services and mediums, so I'll be fine, but I would really prefer, especially for the sake of this video, if I could actually find it in the store today. I think out of all the songs listed, I'm most excited to hear the White Rabbit cover as well as the studio cover for Oh Darling. Oh Darling is one of those songs that she's been performing for forever. In fact, it was her Idol audition song. She sang it at her home concert. That's one that I always jam out to. I'm excited. And then White Rabbit is such a cool song in general. She sang it at a few European shows that she's done, but we haven't heard the studio version, and I'm really excited to hear her euphoric take on it. So very excited. Even though the album is mostly a 60s cover album, Haley has written 3 original songs for it. One at the very first track, the middle track, and the very last track. The middle track, ironically enough, is called Somewhere in Between. And I haven't heard it yet, but she says that it's very reminiscent of a James Bond or a Quentin Tarantino-esque song. So I really love those movies, and I cannot wait to hear what that sounds like. So that's probably one of the songs that I'm very most excited about. Watch it, jackass! I guess Target just opened because their parking lot is empty. I've never seen a Target parking lot this empty before. Never bought a CD at Target before, and I can't figure out where the hell they are. There. I don't even see space on the shelf to where it would be. I see a My Little Pony album, but I don't see anything with Haley on it. Perfect. Alright, well, I officially don't see it, so I guess I'll ask for help and see if maybe they have it in the back. Hi. There's a CD that was released today. I don't see it on the shelf. Would by any chance you might have it in the back? What is it? Called What's That Sound? It's by Haley Reinhart. You guys have like an exclusive CD.
You know, we got, I just unloaded the truck and we got like a bunch of CDs back there in movies, I think. Let me see if I can, what was it called again?
What's That Sound? It's the album name. Yeah, if you buy it from Target, you get like 2 extra songs or something, so I came here
right.
hoping that you guys would have it.
Let me run back and look real quick.
Okay.
Give me just a few minutes here.
Well, after I asked him if they had it in the back, he went back and I got it. Well, it was a long journey, but I got a hold of it. Alright, obviously it's so hard to not put it in my car right now and listen to it, but this being our 3rd studio album, I haven't done a CD or album review of any kind, so I really want to do this one correctly, so I'm going to hold off Wait till I get home, listen to it in its entirety, track by track, because being a 60s album, the track list was a reason. It had a reason to be in that specific order. And Haley, being the old soul that she is, doing the 60s cover album, I believe that the track listing is just as important as it was back then. So I'm gonna go one all the way down through this album, track by track, and let's see what we think.